Forget the results. You play like this and you win, I don't take it. It's better you play that cheap way, our way, and lose the game.
So people mo bolong think awudlala usadlala sharp but you still win. It's a weakness. It's not a weakness. That's a strength.
That's big.
It's a strength.
What's up, Kosi Nation? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another episode of Kaizer Chiefs Uncut. Without wasting any time, man, Tshepo Masilela says we rather lose and play beautiful football than win and play ugly. What do you guys say? Listen to what Tshepo Masilela had to say.
Forget the results. You play like this and you win, I don't take it. It's better you play that cheap way, our way, and lose the game.
That's what he said. And Kosi Nation, I totally disagree. We want to win. We want to win at all costs. We haven't won anything in a long time. Only won one Nedbank Cup in 10 years. And that's not good enough. We want to win more than play beautiful football. No, beautiful football doesn't put points on the board, doesn't put trophies in the cabinet. Okay, now listen to what the homie had to say. Oh yeah, Renele Lutsulunyani about winning ugly.
So people mo bolong think awudlala usadlala sharp but you still win. It's a weakness. It's not a weakness. That's a strength.
Yes, I totally agree
That's big.
with yeah.
It's a
And
strength.
I'm not sure if it's a strength. I don't truly fully understand what he means when he says winning, playing badly is a strength. I do understand, but not fully. I understand that even though you're not doing so well, but you can still grind out the results. Yeah, that's a good thing, man. I think, in my opinion. Kosi Nation, tell me what you guys think. Do you think it's better to lose playing beautiful football, or is it better to win playing ugly? Obviously, the idea is to win, play beautiful football and win. But you can get that, but you can't get it all the time. So what would you rather do? Win ugly or lose beautifully? It's up to you, man. Kosi Nation, as you see in the title of the video, let's get to it. Kaizer Chiefs, the good, the bad, and the ugly. I think it's only right that we start with the good. This weekend, we're out in Zambia, Zesco. Kaizer Chiefs collected 3 points. They won. That's the good thing. They won away in the CAF Confederations, and that's their first victory in this year's edition. So that's definitely a good thing. And another good thing that I saw, man, is that we scored early. We don't usually score early. We usually score in the second half and struggle. And also we kept another clean sheet. Another one. Like DJ Khaled says, yes, another clean sheet, man. How many clean sheets in a row now, man? I think that's definitely good news for Kaizer Chiefs. And now we move to the bad. Yeah, we won, but it's another 1-0. Another 1-0. We can only score one goal in a match. Okay, I remember against Orbit City we did score 4. The very first match of the league we scored 2 with the help of a penalty. But we've been scoring one goal, and I think that's not good enough. And if it's not good enough, that means it must be bad. Because some of the games, man, these teams, they came back to equalize 1-1 draw. Came back to equalize, and we suffered that we didn't take all our chances. We missed penalties while the score was still 1-0 in 2 or 3 games, and we went on to draw those matches. So, man, I think this whole one goal thing is not good enough. But hey, man, we get the job done. I'm not complaining. I'm only complaining when it costs us matches and it costs us points. But so far, so good. We've only lost one match. Just because we scored 1 goal in that match. You know what I mean? I mean, I think that's the bad thing. And now the ugly. Let's get to the ugly. The ugly is the long injury list that Kaizer Chiefs. That can be good news with the number of games that we're playing. We're playing league matches. We're playing this CAF Confederations Cup, and the Nedbank Cup is about to start. We need to be defending it. But our injury list is too long, man. let's go through the list right now. We have Ashwin Dodley. He's been out for a long time now. They were saying in October it is on his way back. I think September, October, because he was in the Netherlands and Holland and he was running, but he's still not back yet. And then we also have Ox, whereas Ox went for surgery last month in December. So I don't know how long it's going to take for him to recover. We have Josh Matlow, who is also out. Reef Frosler is out. I see Bradley Cross is out. Tabotele is out. Gaston Serino is out. Man, that's not good news, man. That list is too long. Man. We need to do something about it, because I see Kaizer Chiefs as a squad of 36 players. And if you have 7 players out, and it's a problem, It's a problem because some of those guys are kids, and some of those guys in the 36-man squad have not even kicked the one ball yet. Man, so I think that's the ugly news for Kaizer Chiefs, man. They need to sort out this injury thing, man. They need to sort it out. These niggas, homies need to come back and play, man. We need them back, especially Gaston Serino for me. Now, I forgot to mention Igadaro. Igadaro is also out, so that makes it 8. That's a lot of players out, man. Yeah, coordination, that is the good, the bad, and the ugly of Kaizer Chiefs so far. Well, we're not complaining. We won yesterday, sitting on 4 points. It's our first win in the CAF Confederations Cup. And the first time we beat Zambian opposition. So much positives to take home, man. So much positive to take home. The only one negative is that we only scored 1 goal, and it's not such a bad negative, because we were able to capitalize by defending on the other end. The defense has been brilliant. We don't concede goals. The goalkeeper, 10, 11 clean sheets now. Wonderful. Kosi Nation, tell me what you guys think. And if you liked any part of the video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. And hit the notification bell so you can get notified when we drop videos like this. Kosi Nation, love and peace. I'm out.